What's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today's vid, if you watched the last video, we spoke about, well, part 1 was to do with the Mini, the update, the progress, blah blah blah. Part 2 was to do with the M4, what's happening to this car, well, not what's happening, sorry, what's been done to it. So basically we spoke a bit about the exhaust, some of the modifications. This video, basically, I'm going to discuss with you guys, I'll tell you, the most affordable exhaust setup, in my opinion anyway. If you know a cheaper one, let me know, or a cheaper one that is actually also good. But anyway, in my opinion, the best and most affordable exhaust setup for the F80 M3, the F82 M4 Coupe, the F83 M4 Convertible. So anyway, I had to note this down again like the mad professor. So anyway, let's go for it. You know what, I'm going to grab a seat right here. This was like the Rolls Royce, the new ones, you can just push a button and you get your chairs come out. It's like a ridiculous option, I think that's thousands. Anyway, first one, I don't know how you guys want to say this, Akrapovic, I'm just going to say Acra. This exhaust comes in at, for literally just a slip-on, so I believe that's the muffler and the pipe's just in front of the muffler. £4,000 to £5,000 for just that alone, alright? Then you have to get the link pipes, which I believe are like the mid pipes or something, but anyways, more towards the center section. Those cost you 1,900 roughly, give or take. So you got the slip-on will cost you 4 to 5 grand, and you got something else costing you almost another 2 grand. And then obviously, if you want the full system, you have to get downpipes too. So the Acra downpipes will cost you, I think this is correct, I saw it online on Google, £1,382. So altogether, that exhaust is going to cost you, what's that, you got at maths? So like 4-5k, 1,000, sorry, 4-5k, about 2 grand, and then 1 grand free. That's like, well, that's almost £7,000, isn't it? £6,000 to £7,000, we'll call it that. £6,000 to £7,000 for an exhaust system to make the car sound good. Next one, Remus, however you want to say it, that is about £3,200, and that is, I think that's the full system actually. So like I said, I'll leave that there for a minute. So full system from the pipes all the way to the downpipes, I believe anyway, Quicksilver, they sound good, they're actually amazing systems. £3,000, still a lot of money. Plus if you've got the car ready and you've taken it out on finance like most people do, because it's technically a smart thing to do rather than buying it cash. Yeah, 3 grand is still quite a chunk of money anyway for most people. So the next exhaust system, GT Horse Meisterschaft. That is actually my favorite BMW exhaust system, like full stop. I mean, since they did the E46 M3 that I had and the E39 M5 that we also had, the exhaust systems for those cars were insane that Meisterschaft GT Horse did, and they are the best ones. The M3 V8, the E92, same thing, they scream. Those were the best sounding exhaust systems that I personally found for the Beamers. So their exhaust for this car, which is my favorite, is, I don't know what this is in UK pounds, this is $5,998. So you travel back and forth to America, so what's about 6,000 in American money? We're gonna Google this quick. $6,000.
Well, that's 6,000
in pounds. Oh, I put $600. I wish it was $600. $6,000 in pounds. If Phil picked that up, that is £4,441. That is actually expensive, but it's a great system. I like it. That's the one I would go for if I wanted to break the bank on it. But we're not making money, so yeah. And then let's say the best one, the most affordable one. That's where this car comes in. This one's actually got a custom setup, so it's not any of these other branded ones here. Yeah, custom setup, so we'll go through it. So it has got the PCW exhaust mods. It had the secondary cat delete, which he does, I think it's about £300-400 the guy does it for. He's brilliant anyway, he does tons of cars, you'll see it on Instagram. So I think that's at PCW_mod or something, I'll put it in. Anyway, back box. He guts that basically, takes all the noise cancelling stuff, baffling, whatever you want to call it, that comes out. Then you go to more the midsection of the car and you get the secondary cats. He chops that out as well, so it's a bit of a cutting and welding sort of situation, but it is amazing. And then what else have we done here? Let me see. And then what else has it got? It's also got the downpipes, which obviously we had to do, which had to go on the car because of the Litco turbos. So yeah, so basically that, alright. Alright, let's put it this way. For those exhaust systems I just told you guys about, they all cost grand. Like, Acura's almost £7,000. That's a lot of money. I mean, if you've got links on how to get it cheaper, by all means, I'd do it. But if you don't, I'm just going to say this. If you want a good system that's a bit louder than stock, affordable, without breaking your bank, get the PCW mod first with secondary cat delete. See how that goes. Makes the car louder, pops a lot. It sounds good. To be fair, it sounds really, really good. Just be careful with what downpipes you put on your car if you do that, because that can either make the sound even a bit greater, or you can ruin it completely by making it a bit too raspy, which you don't want really. So yeah, PCW mod is probably the most affordable exhaust mods customization you can do for the exhaust basically on this car, or the M3, or even the M5 actually. The what one is it? The F10s, F10 M5s, M6 you can do it on, the M3 and the M4, even the M2 competition pack and the normal M2 actually. So any of those sort of M cars of those years of what I just mentioned, you can do that mod and it'll cost you maybe £300 to £400. So if you want a good sounding system, a bit louder than stock, with still all of the other functions of the exhaust with the valves, that is the best option. So yeah guys, so watch the next video for the sound clips. That was a quick update to let you guys know exactly what exhaust to go for if you're on a budget, or if you just don't want to break the bank, you want to like trial it first. That is the best option. So guys, like, share, subscribe. Thanks very much. Next time.